This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need specific foundations before applying. Learn basic networking, system basics, and hands-on rack work. Enroll in a 4-8-week bootcamp or self-study path. Get Comp TIA A+ or Network Plus as immediate proof of competence, and schedule lab time to practice cable termination, server racking, and BIOS setup. Once done, build a one-page skills summary and a simple portfolio with photos and short notes of real equipment work. This gets you interviews faster than vague resumes. You must convert basic knowledge into demonstrable experience. Take night shifts, internships, or temp gigs in colo or university data centers. Prioritize tasks like fiber termination, grounding, PDU swaps, and UPS maintenance so you can talk specifics. Make sure to log each task with dates, outcomes, and learned fixes, and collect a supervisor contact for references. Once you have several documented incidents, refine your resume bullets into exact achievements. Reduce downtime by X minutes, completed Y installs. Now focus on applications and interview performance. Tailor each resume to the posting, highlight certs and documented incidents, and include a simple lab link or photo set. Prepare for hands-on tests by practicing common failures, loss of network, failed power transfer, misracked servers, and rehearse step-by-step explanations. If interviews stall, troubleshoot by running mock fixes and showing a clean incident log. If technical tests fail, ask for feedback and repeat the specific repaired scenario.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.